In this short video, I will explain you how I made this homemade flaps gauge. I am using Prosim, so I will tell you how I made it. I made the drawing using Corel Draw and cut and engraved by using a Chinese laser machine, which is also I upgraded it with a DSP controller. So I got this final product. The front panel is 3 mm acrylic, which is white acrylic, and you can see here the underside. It is a white acrylic, and I painted black color on it and engraved with my drawing. So then the two other small layers are used for holding the needle and the servo. So these are actually 2 mm clear acrylic. I will show you how it works. This is a Prosim I am using here, and under the Prosim configuration, I have configured the gauge. Under gauges, I have configured my flaps gauge. Yeah, this is a flap. So I will tell you one more thing. I am using a Pololu interface card for my servos, or all the gauges which I am using in my home cockpit. This is as you know, this is a 737 NGX 800 or that flap gauge, and this is a Pololu mini USB servo controller, and it is natively supported by the Prosim, and it is having 6 channels, and one channel now it is connected to the servo, and the other one for the battery. This is the battery I am using to power the servo, and it is actually calibrated, and I will show you how it works. And this is a flap option. It's currently in the up position, and I am going to move it to the second. Then you can see the needle is slowly moving to the 2 degrees. Yeah, it moved to the degree 2. It need, I think, some small adjustment in the calibration, because it is not pointing directly to the 2. It's a small thing, small adjustment is required, and there are only 2 gears required, because there is only one needle I use for the flap. If we are using a separate left and right needles, then 2 servos are required, and the gear ratio is like, if the big gear which is connected to the servo moves some 90 degree, then the small gear which is connected to the needle will move 360 degrees. That is what I used, and it's very easy. I will move to the 5th or 40, whatever it will work. Now I move to the 5. It will move to 5. It is working fine. So my next project will be the EGT. So keep watching. I will update it. Thank you.